nothing like living a simple life. Something out those aches and pains from working on the farm.
Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains, North Carolina. Today, the fine folks over at Snapfresh, and I've worked with these folks before. I did some reviews last year of mostly tools. They did the Sawzall drill kit, so they were great. And I got the last spring, I got a hedge trimmer from them that was really good. We love that thing. That's perfect for sculpting hedges and stuff around the farm here. Well, they reached out and they had a couple of products they were looking to review this year. This one here, a 20-volt cordless string trimmer, is the first one I'm going to look at. We also were going to look at a blower and an impact gun, so I'm really excited about that. Let's go ahead and open this up and we will see. This is the BBT ZE20ST. If that isn't a mouthful, I don't know what it is, but it came in a pretty darn small box, so we'll take everything out and figure out how it all goes together. I'll just lay everything out here at first. Lots of pieces. And then there's that. Cool. Lay that down. We'll get all these out of the bags. I think I see. I don't know how you get this off. Alright, once we got the plastic removed here, again, we're going to attach that. You can see the coiled cords in here. And that's just to transfer power, I guess, from the switch. We'll slide that in. There's a little snap tab. You're going to press down on that. And there she is. Looks like up here on the top, got to install that. And that's easy enough. It just pushes in. Hey, there we go. And so it looks like that's adjustable, which is really cool. All right, down here at the business end, looks like it's already comes pre-strung. And there that is. And it does look like, yep, there's one Phillips head screw there. So let me get a Phillips head screwdriver. We'll go ahead and remove that one screw. And then we're going to install that, which was, I mean, literally can only go on one way, so that's easy enough. And we'll reinsert the screw. Cool. And I want to show you. So there's our tab to cut off excess. It does look like it's one of these push button release, you know, where it just pop down and it auto winds. And then it looks like it's got some squeeze tabs here to pull that off. Let me go ahead and open up the box here. It looks like there's another piece that needs to be installed on the other side so we don't hurt ourselves. That's just a wire guard. And it comes with a second spool. Of course, you can always re-spool these. That's kind of cool that it includes two spools. All right, we'll flip this thing over, and where is it? Yeah, right here. We've got this, and that's just like a guard so we don't accidentally, you know, you don't want to have that thing hitting the fence or whatnot, so it's a protector to keep it from wasting too much cord. All right, let's move that back a little bit. And I imagine one of these has got to be the charger, and probably the other one has to be the battery. Yep, there's our charger. And there's our battery. And 2 out of 3 bars, that should be fine. We'll go ahead and try this thing out. So let's go on outside and we'll see how well this works. I have a Ryobi weed whacker that is electric, 18 volt electric. So I'm kind of curious to compare the two. That one is been used and abused. It's on its last leg, so this is perfect timing. Now, you're not going to want to try to use something like this for like 10-acre lawns or whatever, but it's perfect for smaller yards, apartments, keeping walkways cleaned off, you know, getting in there and getting the weeds out between the tile or whatnot. So these are perfect for that. But let's go ahead and try it out. All right, here it is. Now, it's going to beat a little bit because it is a little longer. But as soon as that clears off, we'll go ahead and kill this. And we'll just try it in this area here, okay? It's got a safety right there, and then the trigger. go ahead and knock down some of these weeds that are along here, and then we'll cut some along the top as well. And it does have a safety here. Trigger is here, and yeah, let's do it. Now I cut that pretty big stuff. I mean, some of this stuff's actually quite large if you look at it, but didn't have any problem with it. I was a little concerned because it is a thinner gauge wire that it would have some issues with that, but it really didn't. It's very light. I mean, that doesn't weigh hardly anything. So for an older person, someone with back problems like myself, that'd be really just the thing. Now, does it compare to a gas one? No, but it's not meant to. These electric ones, now they make, you know, some companies are making ones that are like 60 to 80 volts, and those pretty much are comparable to a gas one, but for a smaller home, like a postage stamp size yard, and I'm not trying to offend anyone, but, you know, in a urban area, most lawns are 1/6 of an acre or less. Heck, you could probably mow your whole yard with this thing. So, yeah, it's pretty cool. Anyway, that's the Snapfresh Weed Eater. And I appreciate them sending that out to me. Till next time, my friends.